Hello everyone, welcome back to another yoga video. And today, no need for your yoga mat, just a sturdy chair. Chair yoga is great if you're unable to get on your mat, if you're working hard in the office, or if you just need 7 minutes to disconnect and relieve some stress. Now grab your sturdy chair and let's get started.
Start off comfortably in your chair and sit up straight, lengthen through the spine, and close off the eyes. Start focusing on your breath here and relax your face and the space between the eyebrows and the jaw. Gently open the eyes and scoot your bottom to the middle of your chair and bring the feet flat onto the floor. And let's start with some halfway neck rolls here. Drop the chin to the chest. Bring the left ear to left shoulder. And go to the right, stopping at the shoulder. Working out any tension that you have here. Last one. Now let's get into a gentle neck stretch. Place your left hand on the side of your chair and your right hand goes up and over, gently stretching your neck towards the right shoulder. Take some relaxing breaths here. Now place your right hand on the side of the chair, and the left hand will go up and over for a nice stretch on the other side. Relax the neck and the shoulder muscles, releasing any tension here. Gently release, and let's get into some shoulder shrugs here. We'll do 5. On an inhale, lift the shoulders up towards the ears. Exhale, bring the shoulders down and back. Inhale, shoulders go up. Exhale, shoulders go back. Let's do 3 more. Last one. Now let's get into a spinal twist here. Only the torso is twisting, everything else stays centered. So place your right hand on the left side of your chair. Lengthen through the spine, and the left hand grabs the back of your chair. If this feels comfortable for you, you can stay here. If you would like a deeper stretch, look over that left shoulder. Take some breaths here. And gently release. Now take your left hand and place it on the right side of your chair. And the right hand will go back to grab the back of your chair. Take some breaths here. And come back to center. Now let's get into a hip opener. Place the left ankle on the right thigh and you'll be in this figure 4 position. You'll feel the stretch in the hips and in the glutes, and here you can roll out the ankle. Clockwise and counterclockwise. If you would like a deeper stretch, hinge at the hips and come forward, keeping the left foot flexed. Gently come out and grab the right ankle and place it on the left thigh. Back in that figure 4 position. Roll out the ankle here. For a deeper stretch, fold forward, keeping the foot flexed. Gently release. Now push your bottom back into your chair. On an inhale, arms go up. And exhale, forward fold down. Hang the head heavy and the arms and the hands, releasing any tension here. Take some deep breaths. Slowly start rolling up, vertebrae by vertebrae, all the way to the crown of the head.
I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please let me know which yoga stretch was your favorite in the comments below. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, namaste.